Hi all. So today we'll be solving question related to the net value added at a market price. Okay, so it's a macroeconomic problem. So as you can see here, the question is given and a lot of items are given in the table as well. Okay, so the sale is given, change in stock is given, depreciation is given, net indirect tax is given, purchase of machinery is given, also purchase of intermediate product is given. So from the given values, we have to find the net value added at market price. So let's see how to. So what is the first equation we need? We have to find the value added, right? So we can use the equation value of output is equal to sale plus change in stock. Okay. So it is already given there, right? Sale is given right here. And we also have the change in stock. That is also given here, right? Right here. So let's add. Okay. So we can substitute the values directly here. That is 300 plus minus 10, which is 300 minus 10, which will give you 290. Clear? So now what we have to do? Now we have to find the gross value added. Okay, what we have to find? The gross value added. So how will you find the gross value added at the market price? You can use the equation. Gross value added at the market price is equal to value of output. That is what we have find it already, right? Minus purchase of intermediate product. So what is our value of output? That is 290, right? So let's substitute 290 minus what is the purchase of intermediate product? It's 150 minus 150. So which will give you 140, right? Is it clear to you? Okay. Now we have to find the net value added at the market price. So what will be the equation for that? So net value added at market price is equal to gross value added at the market price minus depreciation. So the equation will be gross value added at the market price. Okay. That is what we have already calculated here. Minus depreciation. So what is depreciation? It is given as 20. So let's substitute it. So that is 140 minus 20, which is equal to 120. So the net value added at the market price will be 120. Is that clear to you? Now it is easy, right?